Toothbrush.
What is that?
Toothbrush.
That's a toothbrush?
Yeah.
Oh, what you doing to it?
Sticking it.
Sticking it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Up here.
Right there?
Here.
On the bathtub?
And it could jump out.
It's gonna jump out.
Jump.
Don't let it jump out.
Jump. 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 Jump.
Why is he gonna jump out?
No, the toothbrush.
The toothbrush is gonna jump out?
Yeah.
Why?
And that's going to come get the toothbrush.
Who?
That's all.
Who?
So get the toothbrush.
Who's gonna get the toothbrush?
That's all.
Joshua?
No, the dinosaur.
The dinosaur?
Yeah.
The dinosaur's gonna come get the toothbrush?
Yeah. Oh, they see it.
You gotta save it? Why's the dinosaur gonna get the toothbrush?
I got to eat it. Oh, got it.
Okay. Hey, why is the dinosaur gonna come get the toothbrush?
I got one him.
You're gonna whoop him? Oh, okay. Has he been a bad dinosaur?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He bit Rex.
Huh?
He bit Rex.
His name's Rex?
No, the dinosaur bit Rex.
The dinosaurs be Rex?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet he don't need this toothbrush.
You gonna hit him with that toothbrush?
Yeah.
No. Where's the dinosaur?
In the mirror.
In the mirror?
Yeah.
There's a dinosaur in the mirror.
Yeah.
How did he get in there?
He did bathtub.
He got in the bathtub.
No, the dinosaur.
The dinosaur
In the bathtub.
got in the bathtub.
No.
That's what you just said.
That's the dinosaur. In the
Huh?
dinosaur.
You're confusing me. I don't understand.
The dinosaur.
The dinosaur did what?
Come get the bath.
He's gonna come get in the bath?
Yeah.
Is he dirty?
Yeah.
He stinks? He needs to get in the bath and take a bath?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you gonna wash him? Well, what if he bites you?
He's not scary.
He don't scare you? Well, what you gonna do if he tries to bite you?
Hit him?
You gonna hit him? What you gonna hit him with? Your hand?
He's gonna hit me.
He's gonna lick you?
No.
Like a puppy?
No, the puppy's gonna lick me.
Oh, now we're talking about a puppy. The puppy's gonna lick you. Well, what you gonna do when a dinosaur tries to eat you?
Bite me?
Yeah, what are you gonna do when he tries to bite you?
The finger off.
He's gonna bite your finger off? Are you gonna cry?
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt if he bites your finger off?
Yeah.
What you gonna tell him? Say, don't do that. It's not nice.
Don't do that. I'm gonna hit you.
Okay.
Bad dinosaur. Bad.
That's a bad dinosaur?
Yeah. Sick. What's that noise?
What noise?
The dinosaur.
What? I don't know. I don't know what you're saying.
Yeah.
No, I can't. I don't know.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
You farted? What's that noise? Oh, what's that noise?
I don't know. He heard a noise and he said, "What's that noise?" You farted. Oh, why did you say Mommy farted? Mommy didn't fart. Mommy didn't fart. That was not Mommy. Mhm. Yeah, it's saying, why did you say Mommy farted? No, it's not. All right, say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Tell it, peace out.
Bye, peace.
No, say peace out and do this.
Peace out.
Now do this with your hands.
Do it up high.
Peace out.
Do two. 1, 2. Do peace out.
There you go. That's good enough. All right.